Hello YouTube world, so it's me again. I can't believe I have another video again, but I'm in the same outfit as my last video because I just have the time to do videos right now. So I'm so behind, so I took the opportunity to make these videos. So anyways, enough chit chat and let's just dive into what I'm gonna show you guys. I am so excited about this because this is a true unboxing. I shared a little story, like I shared a little bit of like a story on how I got this gray. So this is a gray that I've been wanting. When this came out, when Chanel came out with this gray, I think that was 2 years ago, not last year, definitely 2 years ago. So this is a 21A gray and it's like a dove gray and I love it. And I couldn't get my hands on it because everybody was just buying them. And I was able to get my hands on the mini top handle and in lambskin, but I wanted the caviar. And I was close to getting the boy, but for some reason, somebody got to it before I did. So I reached out to like SAs from all over the country, but just couldn't get my hands on it. So when I saw this on the seller that I bought a lot of purses from on DHgate, I grabbed it. And this retails for $302, but you know, DHgate always has like coupons for $20, $30 or more. You could always, you know, try to get them when they have those promos. But anyways, again, I'm so excited because this is a true unboxing. So let's get into it. All right, guys, I'm so excited. I hope it's true to color though. Especially since the circumstances that I went through to get this bag. Oh my god. What do I do? Why is it not coming out? Sorry guys. Oh my god, finally. That was such a struggle to get it out of this box. But it comes with the Chanel box and it's magnetic. Shut up. Love it. So it comes with this packaging and they come with the shopping bag. I forgot to mention that in my last video though, that the 10A comes with a shopping bag, 10A quality or the mirror quality, and all these inclusions here. So all right, and they have the Camilla. I love their Camilla. It feels like the Camilla that Chanel came with before. They changed it to a cardboard box now. I don't know what this is, but it says Shanai. But, and all the documentation. So let me just put this on the tape, on the floor so we can get to what we're here for. So it is really very tightly packed in plastic to protect the purse. So guys, like I also know private sellers selling outside of DHgate that has almost the same quality as this 10A. They could, some of their products are a little less than this DHgate seller, but okay, it came in this dust bag, which is close to the original. I don't know why that's there. Oh, I thought this was the gray, but I guess this was the pink that I ordered. Wait. Huh. Hold on. Okay, let's just keep going. I also ordered the pink, but I thought I got the gray. Uh-oh. And I'm disappointed guys because this is not the pink that I wanted. I wanted like sort of like a light pink. Because I already got like a 7A quality pink. And I was so excited. I don't like this. Okay, hold on. Okay, so it was a pink, and I'm not liking it. This is not the shade of pink that I wanted, but I don't really want to go through the hassle of returning this, and I don't know, kind of disappointed if you can tell, but it came with an authenticity card and it has a microchip. It shouldn't come with an authenticity card anymore. It has a microchip, and it comes with a Shanai. I don't know what this is, but it smells good, but I shouldn't smell that. But it's a bummer. I thought this was the gray, but I ordered a pink, and it's a different pink. Let me get the 7A that I got. It's a different shade of pink. So this is the pink that I got from 7A, and this is the pink that I got from the 10A quality. So I think these are like scented stuff that they put on there. I shouldn't have smelled that, but there's a lot of that in here. Should throw that away. It says do not eat, of course I won't, but maybe to take the leathery chemically smell. But so they usually would come like this to protect this zipper pull, but you can take it off. See, says 20p gold flap bag. When it's not gold, it's silver. But so this is what it looks like, guys. I'm so sorry to sound disappointed, guys, but I am disappointed. And honestly, I don't even like the quality of this supposedly 10A. I'm usually amazed at the quality of their purses, but the last time I communicated with the person I communicated on there said that a lot of companies close, so they're actually they have a lot of colors that they're not able to produce right now. The quilting is a little bit off at the back, as you can see. Not bad. In the front, the quilting is a little bit off, but it's not bad at all. It's like this, the caviar is soft. I like that. But honestly, guys, I'm not very happy that because honestly, I thought it was the gray. I'm scared now that I wouldn't be getting the gray because I ordered the gray first before this. So I don't know what happened. All right, guys, that's it for now. And I'm so sorry to sound disappointed in my unboxing, but I am. All right, but quality-wise, I think this is okay. Again, this is a different shade of pink, so I think it's nice. But all right, guys, have a good day, afternoon, or night, wherever you may be. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'm going to put down the name of the seller down below. All right, bye.